Beracious. We read from right to left. The first letter there in the word, it's 6-letter word, Beracious. The first letter is a Bays. Under it, you have a Shva, which is a is sound, so it's the first sound is Be. Be. The next letter, Reish, has a Tsere underneath it, which is an A sound, so it's Re. Be, Re. The Aleph has no Nikud, it doesn't have a vowel point under it, so we don't sound it out so much. It kind of just goes along with the previous letters. Be, Re. Then you have a Shin with a Chirik under it, which is She, Be, She. And the Yud and the Tzaf have no vowel points, so we don't sound them out so explicitly, they just follow the Shin. So the Shin with the Chirik under it, followed by a Yud Sav, would sound like Shis. So we put that all together, we get Beracious. Beracious. The next word, you have a Beis with a Kamatz under it, you have a Reish with a Kamatz under it. Those are both A sounds. And the Aleph has no vowel point underneath there. So, put that together, you get Bara. So far we have Beracious, Bara. The next word, you have an Aleph with a Segal underneath, and it's a Chataf Segal. Next to the Segal, the 3, which is 2 on top and 1 on bottom. On the right side of that, you have a Shva, a dot with another dot underneath it, which it's like a regular Segal, but it's pronounced a little quicker. I believe that's what it does. So it's Segal Aleph is The Lamed has a Cholem on top of it. On the top left, that dot is a Cholim, which Cholim Lamed would be Loi. So it's Loi. And then the Hey has a Chirik underneath it, which is E. So it would be He. So Elohi. And then you have Yud Mem without Nikudos. So they just follow the Hey, the Chirik Hey. Him. Put that together, you get Elohim or Elohim. The next line, the second line, the bottom line here, on the right, you have Aleph with a Tsere, which is A, followed by Saf. Put that together, you get Ace. Ace. The next word, you have a Hey with a Patach, Ha. You have a Shin with a Kamatz underneath it, Shah. You have a Mem with a Patach underneath it, Ma. A Yod with a Chirik under it, Yi. And a Mem, final Mem, because it's at the end of the word. So it has another form. And there's no vowel point underneath it, so it just follows the Yi. Yi. Put that together, it's Hashamayim. Next word is Vav with a Shva underneath it, Ve. Aleph with a Sere underneath it is A. Saf without a vowel point, so it just follows the A, becomes Ace. Ve-Ace. Put that together, the word is Ve-Ace. And now the next word, the last word there, you have Hey with a Kamatz, Aleph with the Kamatz, so it's Ha-A. And then the last 2 letters there, you have a Reish with a Segal, Re, and a Tzadik, final form Tzadik, because it's at the end of the word. And it has no vowel point, so it just follows the Re. So it's put that together, it's Ha-A-Retz. Put that all together, now the verse reads like this. Bereshis, Bara, Elohim, Ace, Hashamayim, Ve'es, Haaretz. If you wanted to find root words here and prefixes and suffixes, the first word, I would say, if I had to take a guess, I would say that the root would be the second, third, and fourth letters. Rosh, which means the head or beginning. The prefix of the Beis before the Rosh means with or in. And the Yud Taf would be a suffix that I'm not sure how it affects the word there, adding a Yud Taf. The next word, you just have the 3-letter root word itself. Bara is creation or create. The next word, you have Elohim. The root would probably be, I think, Aleph, Lamed, Hey. It means like deity or God. The Yod Mem suffix makes it plural. Plural, I want to say masculine, because it could also be plural feminine if it was If it was a what? If it was a nun, maybe, or if it was a saf. Maybe that's what the first word has at its suffix. Okay, the next word on the bottom line, the right side, the first one on the right side, ace, aleph taf. Ace, I don't know how to translate. I don't know if there is a direct to English translation. Hashamayim. So the root there would probably be, I mean, you could see the root word of mayim in there, water, mem yud mem, but I don't know if that's the root there. The hey is definitely a prefix. The ha means the. Shamayim might be a 4-letter root, but I don't know how that works. Shamayim means heaven. It could be the root is just the mayim, water. Like shamayim, that water, or sham mayim, their water. If you use the mem twice, sham mayim. Next word, ve'es. The vav is a prefix. It means and. The ace again is, I don't know how to translate. And then you have ha'aretz. Hey is a prefix. It means the. Aretz is a 3-letter root word. It means land or earth. I think land.